Something swimming across the river there. Otter. Can't really see him. Oh, I went under. Janice won't like that. Calls him the river rat. Can you hear the frogs?